Kid from the fire. Remember a long time you know play ball, you know? Long time. You know, he goes home now, the guys will outrun him. And before he was the fastest one. You see what Farron do to you?
Just like me, I was biking.
Yeah, you see what Farron do to you when you're in Jamaica, you're healthy as a horse. And you come up here and Farron just slow you down. You're coming like one slug. Welcome back to the vlog. So actually I am here about to head out. I started cooking. Dinner's almost cooked, as you can see. So Faith is pretty much finishing dinner. Is the AC on?
Yeah, I turned it on.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
78 in here.
So the only thing, Faith, this is in vinegar and water. So could you just cut this up like 3 or 4?
I'm looking at 14.
So 4. So cut each one in 4.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna make soup. I thought that was like.
No, I'm gonna boil the corn because I'm making side. So all those stuff is supposed to go in the thing.
I thought you were making
So all the cheese and all that should go in the stuff. And I'm gonna probably make a little bit of mashed potato when I get back. So, and that's it.
Now, wow.
Yeah, so I figured we'll make a nice big supper today. Pass me my tea. Alright. So I am heading out. Hubby's already outside waiting for me. I'm running out. I got some business there I gotta go take care of. So yes, and I'm running late. I literally I started cooking this morning, then I just got out of the shower and everything. And I just literally had to hurry up. Oh, I need to get some more of these stuff. It's all finished.
It's like 9.
Always gotta smell good as a lady. Yes. Always gotta smell good. Yeah, so me and hubby got a few business we gotta go take care of, so I'm heading out to go do that. So I am ready for the road. Okay, so I'll catch you guys outside. So hey, so we just got not too long got back in, and I'm just trying to finish cook dinner. So that is what I am doing. Hopefully won't take that long. And I just actually put on some corn and potatoes as well, and then I got chicken breast over there as well. So I'm just making like a side of mashed potatoes with some corn, and also the salad. Faith made the salad, so Faith pretty much cooked a good amount of stuff for me. So then so Faith pretty much looked about, oh sorry for the lighting. So Faith cooked a good amount of stuff for me, so then that saved me the hassle of coming home and doing all the additional stuff. So that was good. So it's just the odds and ends of stuff that I have to get done. So dinner is almost ready. Boy, it is hot out there today. Today would be the day to have a pool, to go to a beach if there was one, because we are in a heat wave, a crazy heat wave. They say yesterday I guess it was supposed to feel like a heat wave, but nothing compares to today feeling like a heat wave. So but I don't think we're doing much. We're just chilling like a villain, having a laid back day here. So that's what we are doing, just having a laid back chill day. Mr. Williams over there on his phone. So that's pretty much what we're doing. So we're waiting for that food to cook, and then we're going to eat. So we'll come to chill in the living room, and as you see, there's no kids to be found because they're all upstairs, well, in their room and watching movie or on the laptop or tablet. They're on some form of gadget and some game system, so they're all quiet. So like I said, it's just a quiet evening we're having. Alright, so dinner is finally finished and I started dishing out dinner. So corn, got the salad on there, and I got mashed potato here with corn as well. So I'm just gonna get the juice them over to the table. So all I gotta do now, I'm just was waiting on the chicken. Oh, chicken looks like it is ready. I was waiting on the chicken, but chicken looks like it's done. So I'm gonna dish. So I got chicken, and I also have beef. I guess today I felt like making a little bit of a feast. Well, not really a feast, just make some different sides so they have options. So I got, so I have chicken there, and I also made beef there, and then I have rice and peas here. So I'm about to dish dinner now. And yeah, set it all up. So I'm gonna dish dinner. Dinner is finished, everybody's eating. So that's the setup for dinner. I just brought my food. So what we're having for dinner is some rice and peas. You have corn, salad, and mashed potato, and beef. We have chicken, but I guess if they want some, then they can have that, but that is it for dinner. So I just decided to do like a little, let me grab some of the salad. I just decided to do a little bit more food today, just so they have a variety, have some sides that I know they would like, everybody would like. So that's what we did. And yeah, so we're about to eat, and I don't know what we're doing. If it's, well, still daylight, we'll probably end up maybe going outside. It all depends because it's so hot out. So we might go out or we might just stay in. But quickly change, dinner is done. We're just actually finished cleaning up. I just helped Fate wash the dishes and stuff like that. So dinner was great. We had a good dinner, and as you can see, I changed my outfit. I'm going to go take hubby outside, and I'm gonna go teach him how to rollerblade. So he used the four-wheeler skates, but I'm gonna teach him how to use the inliner skates. They're four.
No, before we used the four when we
Yeah, but the inliner skates, they're the straight skates. Yeah, it's still four wheels. It's four wheels. So I'm gonna go teach him how to do that. So I'm putting on some socks and then head out and go have some fun. Okay, babes, you ready? Let me go see. I'm gonna try not to pop my backside. I haven't skated in a while. I learned this as a child, but I always used to love rollerblading. Loved it. So, and I haven't done it in a while. So I decided, I saw someone else like, oh, let me buy a pair of skates. But hubby wants me to teach him first before he buys himself a pair. Alright, so we are out here in the garage and it is hot. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the finished thing. So everything is cleaned up. As you see, got rid of a lot of the stuff done and packed up. And then over here, we took out the other shelf that was there. So we got rid of a lot of things And yeah, so I forgot to show you guys that the garage, the end results, we didn't get to clean up. Forgot to show you the end results we got to clean up. See, Memphis is here. Addie's trying to escape, but it's hot. Oh Lord, I'm out here using. Oh gosh, there's like a box. A Fruit Loop box to fan myself. But Memphis is trying. Let me show you.
The queen.
No, like if I did the other one, I use it properly. Just should I get one on? I can't use this.
But he's getting better.
No.
I need to spend money. So when she's busy, I have to spend.
Come.
Go, you can do it.
If you don't learn how to
Hard with it.
We are actually heading out.
Hello, but
See, Miss Faith put me in the back.
I didn't.
She seemed to take over my husband.
I didn't have
So, oh gosh, and I had to change again because my shirt literally got soaking from rollerblading. But as you guys can see, Memphis is getting the hang of it. Mario was doing it. Now we decided to take a break, and then we're gonna just go down to the lake. So, yes. So there's hubby and Fiat.
No one takes it.
So there is Miss Faith in the front. She had to do her hair because she need the mirror to do her hair, and Mario driving. So me have to sit down in a. So now I have to sit in the back seat. It is.
We're royalty.
It is really, they really say it's a heat wave today, boy. We've reached down at the lake. We're just going for a stroll, but it is very busy down here. Oh, I left my sunglasses in the car.
Ooh, $10
Oh, I left my shoes in the car.
Something. One Carolyn just right there. So
Do you want it? But you have to.
Yeah, I had to pull down the
Mama?
thing and went in.
Mom,
Huh?
do you want them?
No, that's alright.
Oh, if you want them, I'll give you $2. But no, you.
Well, babe.
Food that I'm gonna feed.
Y'all talk about why I
I
love
wonder if
money.
they had a car show
Why I
down
love
here.
money so much
I
because
seen a
I
lot
do
of
stuff
the
and I'm supposed
like
to
the
get paid for
super
it.
cars.
Wanna know
down
why I
here.
love money so much, Mario? Because I save it, man. I spend.
Yeah,
That
just
is
love,
why.
I love money.
But see, that doesn't matter. I'm
What
supposed to
are
get
these
paid
things
if I
that they
do
put in
something
here?
for you. Of course, you're supposed
It's so much cooler it is down there, and look how hot it was when we were home.
And I
feel like
hosted
I'm
cool
here.
that top boat.
What?
And I hosted cool.
I need to go sleep, and so does Mario. And y'all making us come out here. Like,
Alright, yeah, I carried it.
Go, babe, go.
Let me carry the bag. It's that take a clean
I
man.
wonder what are these things here.
Garbage
you
trouble.
guys came and interrupted my shower.
No one came and interrupted the shower. Is your face?
You know, I pretty much just got into the shower when you guys came upstairs. I was like, Mommy said we're going to the lake. I'm like,
But I know some me are multiple guys here.
what?
But I know some me I'm multiple guys.
I know you.
It's been a long time since he's played ball.
My bum is still nursing.
What? What?
Yeah, I think it's still dirty.
This is dirty. So this is what is going on at the lake. So people are just out enjoying themselves in the water. Oh gosh. So we're in the field, so we are away from everybody else. They're playing baseball over there. Yeah, so they're having baseball practice. And you have a whole bunch of geese right there. Let me see.
Mommy, I see Mario showing you his app. Yes, Mario. Work it out.
And what? Mario, there's the one.
Mario, Mommy, you just missed it.
10, I lie that, but you just do 10. Probably I'll just 1.
No, it wasn't.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
1, 2, 3.
Mommy, you're not even counting.
1, 2. Memphis, really?
Oh, Rita, wait.
Really?
Still have a competition.
What's your excuse?
But wait, I can't wait, stop.
Your face. Fake excuses are anticipatory.
My hand gets soft, so they rub off my.
Oh.
And all my hand them used to tough. Because I climb tree and all the fears them.
Where's the feet? One time you could have climbed tree back home, but not now.
Or like smack them.
That hurt.
My hand hurts. I can't do it again.
Do what?
I can't. What?
Look how you're sweating and you just showered.
I can't do that stuff like I
Is it
used
hot?
What do you mean you can't do what stuff like I used to?
properly.
Oh,
And then
well, like climb tree, you probably forget all to do all them
no,
something.
I can still climb trees, but just my hand them get soft.
You hand them, you say come back here and get soft and weak up. Say come back a fine and get weak and shrivel up, boy. Eh? Babes,
I do that 2 times and me and them I start doing it.
kick it.
You're not gonna reach you. I can't come close, I got no saying I get you from so far.
No, you can make it from that far. Remember a long time you not play ball, you know? Long time. You know, he goes home now, the guys will outrun him. And before he was the fastest one. You see what Farron do to you?
Just like me, I was like,
Yeah, you see what Farron do to you when you're in Jamaica, you're healthy as a horse. And you come up here and Farron just slow you down. You're coming like one slug. Hmm? Literally stopped and where the kids them are getting slushies and Mario. I think Mario's probably grabbing a slushie too, so we just left the lake. See everybody back in the car. Look for the big one that Mario get.
They made me got a small slushie.
Get your small one. Fiat go pick the wrong cup.
But when I was the one that got hurt because of Memphis.
Here you know.
And a stupid acting song.
Yeah, Memphis.
Being very annoying.
Oh my gosh.
You say so late time I do work. Say Shann.
You say come me.
I mean, you never say
What did I
Shann.
do? What did I
When
do?
you come out to enjoy
Tell me what I
yourself.
do wrong today.
don't forget both of you people.
Oh gosh,
okay,
so we're on our way.
I don't know slushie going up.
Yeah, I know. We just got home. It's been a long day. I started. Yeah, I'm gonna start dishing out the food them into container and putting them away in the fridge. Faith started doing the dishes for me, so that is good. Oh Lord. So it was a nice day. We just had a nice family day, and you know, so I said spending time together, that's the most great thing that you can have. Just enjoying some quality time with your kids, your family, you know, and it's nice when we can all get together and just enjoy our day. But I'm gonna finish packing out. I just have that, so I have some containers over there that I started doing. So I'm just gonna finish doing that, and that's pretty much it for the night. And I'm gonna go take a shower and just relax, and I guess pretty much watch a movie till me and hubby fall asleep, because he has work in the morning, so he's gonna have to go to bed early. And yeah, that's pretty much it for our day. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. These plants, they're one of my favorite plant, the orchid child. My favorite plants. So I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to tell a friend to come on over to the William fam, where you know it's nice and quiet over here. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time we drop a video, guys, you will be the first one to be notified. Stay blessed, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.